If your text is overflowing into other cells in Excel, here are 5 methods to contain it, starting with the most common. The first and most effective is wrap text. Select the cell or cells containing the overflowing text. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click the Wrap Text button. The text will automatically break into multiple lines within the cell, and the row height will increase to show all content. If some text is still hidden, go to Home, click Format, and select Auto Fit Row Height. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus H plus W. If that didn't work, try Fill Alignment. This clips the text at the cell border without changing row height. Select the cell, then on the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the small arrow in the lower right corner. That's the dialog launcher. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Alignment tab, click the horizontal drop-down, and choose Fill. Click OK. The text will be truncated at the cell boundary. Just be aware, this only works correctly if all selected cells contain long text. If some cells have short text, Fill will repeat that text to fill the entire cell. The next method combines wrap text with a fixed row height. Select the cells, go to the Home tab, click Format in the Cells group, and choose Row Height. Note the current value, it's usually around 15 points. Then click OK. Now click the Wrap Text button in the Alignment group. This forces the text to wrap, but keeps the row at normal height, so anything that doesn't fit will be clipped at the bottom. Another option is filling adjacent cells with a space character. Excel only overflows text when the cells next to it are empty. Click the empty cell immediately to the right of the overflowing text, press the spacebar once, then press Enter. For multiple rows, copy that cell and paste it down. Keep in mind these spaces are actual characters and might interfere with formulas that check for empty cells. The last method is Shrink to Fit. Select the cells, right-click, and choose Format Cells. On the Alignment tab, under Text Control, check the Shrink to Fit checkbox and click OK. The font size will automatically reduce to fit everything on one line. Be cautious with this one. Very long text can become hard to read. All of these methods keep your data intact. They only change how the text displays, and the full content remains accessible in the formula bar when you click the cell.